That was funny. Okay. Welcome, everyone. Oh my god, we gotta take away our win rate now. No, it's a new month. Let me just go do that. Get rid. 0, 0, and 0. Okay. So welcome everyone. Let me just get that there. Move this there. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you guys all stayed safe yesterday, NY session. I think there's quite a lot of areas that you could have been having some issues with. It looks all good now. Okay. Are we on? Yeah, we are. Okay, cool. So welcome everyone. Yeah, looking like gold. Yeah, I don't know what my fucking alarm didn't go off, which is great. So I actually woke up naturally at this time, which is great. There was a 5-minute trend line. I quite like this one, but we didn't really get a retest. But to be honest with you, you could have just clicked it, really. Let's see if there's any 15 res. Yeah, there's no 15 or 30 minute or hourly res. So I probably would have just clicked that there. It was quite nice. 540. How big were your stops if you got in there around them areas? Yeah, it didn't come in retest, but you might be able to catch that. Stop was 13 pips. Resistance was 13. Yeah, nice. Very nice. So let's just take a look at news this morning. We've got Euro Bank Holiday, nationwide HPI at 7 AM. That's going to be interesting. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. And then we've got manufacturing PMI for pretty much every country. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. Yeah, Instagram yesterday was being a bit weird. Instagram, my whole likes have been down for the past month, I'd say now. But yeah, yesterday was mad. Morning. Right, let me just fix this because I can only hear you guys on Zoom through the speaker, which is a bit fucking odd. Meeting info. Here we go. Audio, there we go. Right, someone speak now? Someone speak in Zoom?
What?
Yeah, there we go. Good. I was just checking if I could hear you now because it was coming through my TV, my monitor, not my headphones. Where did you get in, Manuel?
I got in yesterday on a Novi on GU.
GU. Are you not in gold right now?
No.
Yeah, fair. I like that 5-minute trend line here.
Yeah, but you didn't have a retouch.
I know. Yeah, it's a bit annoying.
You can even push it smaller, so you just have it from the previous wicks, and you have 3 touches, but you don't have a retest.
Actually, no, that touch there. Look, yeah, it did. But I didn't have it on the right one. It did have a retest.
No, I don't have it on my terminal.
Terminal, yeah. That's fair.
It's completely blank.
There's another IG account of you. I don't know if it is you or not. Yeah, any other IG account that isn't the one that I'm showing, it's fake. This is the only one. Yeah, make sure you try and get the likes up on this. I don't know what the fuck's happening recently, but my likes have just disappeared, which is interesting. Just one of the things with the algorithms, I think. But yeah, don't be looking at them scammers. Okay, let's get into this, right? So, let's put this on EJ as well. EJ looking like cack again. Let's just start Goldie. So, yeah, Goldie was in a bit of a range yesterday. Was ranging pretty hard, actually. The zone was big, though, but it was ranging. It just couldn't break this level. Oh, sorry. Did it get to 1622 yesterday? No. Just the daily time frame. Yeah, I was thinking we couldn't break like 1630s yesterday. But anyway, still looking pretty bearish, right? We do have a clearly big support at 1622. But yeah, right now the daily time frame is bullish. Looks like we are actually pushing back up, nearly breaking the previous daily high very, very soon. 4-hour time frame clearly making some good 4-hour support, as you can see, which is great. And yeah, 1 second, let me just get my phone to be ready. Okay, so yeah, the 4-hour time frame obviously clearly very bullish. We are coming to this 4-hour level, which seems to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. This one here, 1646. So yeah, I mean, maybe you could push back to 1646 if you're already in now. That's fair, but I think maybe if I'm not in already, you have to wait a little longer. As we said for ages now, we still want buys above this area, 1680, because that'll be much cleaner to 1700. But we can still get some moves here, I think. Let's just take a look and see where we'd want clean candles. So yeah, this is a clear resistance, like right around here, 1645, which you could come to. Above is a little bit risky, I'm not going to lie. I don't really like this level. There's a lot of wicks. So for me personally, I'm probably going to wait for a closure probably above this resistance level, like here. Because we're above this resistance, we're above this support, and we're above these resistances. And I think that this area here is going to be much cleaner to come to at least 1657. Yeah, so now this is the area I want. So clean buys will be above here. Clean buys above 1651.5. Okay. In terms of above, we'll have to see. We'll have to see, because I want to see how it reacts in this level. Obviously, it has been quite clean there. So, and I think this might have been used. Yeah. So it might be all right. We'll have to see.
That was a very nice entry on gold last night at 1 in the morning, which I almost took, and I regret that. Fuck, I did not take it.
Right down here.
Yeah, exactly there. You have a trend line that goes from here or there, or what the hell it is. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, a break. You have 4 touches, you have a break, and then all the way down there you have a retest of the trend line.
Yeah. Madness.
And I was looking at it last night because I was looking GU, and GU was going up. And when I saw gold retracing to the trend line, I saw, nah, you are going up. Yeah, but it looked so bearish.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'll go to bed, Manel. It's 1 in the morning. Fuck it. Woke up this morning and saw this shit, and I'm, no!
100 pips, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't like Asian sessions, you know. So
Yeah.
I already had GU on, and that was already.
Yeah. How did everyone find NY session yesterday? People in the YouTube. I think it was pretty hard. Opinion on GJ Max? Yeah, we'll do that in a second. But yeah, so buys look pretty good. On gold, I think. In terms of sells, maybe is a trend line there. It's quite a steep one, to be honest with you, but there is one there. So maybe sells later on as well. We'll have to see. Let's just take a look here. I closed my runner, and very, very nice. I think, what the fuck did Brian get in there? What time frame is that?
1 second.
2.8. Oh, he got in like here. Is that the 5 minute? I have no idea. Did he get break even there? He might have. Okay, let's just take a look at GJ now. GJ, we got a daily candle that closed bearish. Interesting. Yeah, closed bearish, rejected the highs. Tapped 172 again. And was like, nope. I don't want to be playing up here for much longer, which you kind of always predicted, right? And I've been wanting to take GJ sells all fucking last week. Just need to wait for some more confirmations because the sells will be much easier to take. They'll run nicer. And the buys up here seem to be a bit painful. Okay, so in terms of GJ, daily is making a top wick, right? It's going to be probably flipping to come bearish. The 4 hours already rejecting, which is good. Clearly got a support here at 170.400. So let's just write this on. 170.400. Obviously, there's a lot of traffic here as well, which kind of sucks. Which could be a little bit of a pain. But same thing again. I'm pretty sure this is Friday last week. There was news here. There was big news. So I'm not going to take it too to heart. I'm probably just going to use the current support, which is over here. And sells below. I'm going to try and forget about this because this is just news. Sells below could be nice to even continue back down to 169.800. Obviously, we have 170 in the middle as well there. But I think those sells could be quite nice. Sells below.
So you wouldn't consider sells below 256?
Yeah. Is this below this level here?
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I thought, because more to the left you see it's rejecting a lot. It's making a big resistance.
That's a 250, I suppose. The only thing is, Manuel, is that the news is there, so it's kind of fucking around. But yeah, I suppose it still holds it. Still look at the hourlies. So what would the difference be then there? 370. I just don't want to be too close to 170 either. So like there. Yeah, I suppose that'll be below Asian lows as well. Makes it easier, eh? The zone's still big.
Yeah, the zone is huge.
Yeah. Why not? We'll just leave it. So yeah, sells below there would be nice. Pretty good. Daniel Ricciardo. Hey, what's happened? Did they race? Didn't even see it. And in terms of buys, yeah, buys could be still pretty hard again. We've talked about this quite a lot recently. Buys for GJ just, there's nothing really here. There's just, every time it crawls up, it's just painful to watch. It's not fun. That's probably the only thing that I'm looking at, really. Yeah, the sells. For me, the buys are kind of a no-go. Especially with the rejections and already a daily bearish closure. So that's what I'll wait for. Oh, I got that box that Steve's thinking about, but fucking Now TV, like my Wi-Fi doesn't let it go on the website. That's great. I have to get a fucking VPN. GJ seems still bullish for me. Fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, it's still holding support. The 4 hour could still flip here and continue bullish for sure. My only issue is this has made this level a bit choppy. Up here is it's a very like bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's not a nice zone to trade in. Because I know that if I get below here, I'm gonna get a straight sell and it's gonna tap me at 170 level, 169.800, and I'll get like 30 pips, 40 pips. Much easier. This Goldie's still continuing. Oh, that trend line was good, man. I wish I fucking got that one this morning. I literally had my alarm set as well for 5:40. I think my phone might have run out of battery though, because it was very low.
That's how you see that the body is used to wake up early, because I forgot to set up alarms. Yeah, when I was up 5 to 6.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Yeah, my father says I'm nuts. And I tell him, well, not. But the money comes from somewhere, and I'm not selling drugs. Oh, yes, you're right.
That's great. So yeah, we're on a new month now. Wow, November, fresh slate. See what November brings. Make sure you like the stream, guys. 16 likes is not good enough. I'll delete the stream. Delete the stream.
Yeah, he's made such a big name for himself inside the FOREX community that when everyone is watching his stream and he says, "Oh no, press the button."
Cheers to EJ, yeah, rangy shit again. I'm not looking at it. But the sell yesterday that Lash was looking at worked a treat. Very nice. And all the way down as well. So yeah, we'll see. It's GJ coming, Goldie coming up nicely. Still got that 4-hour res there though, so do be a little bit careful with the buys. Yeah. It's clean on the 4-hour and the 1-hour. The 1 hour's okay, but I don't like the 4-hour. The 4-hour res is right here.
Do you have a bottom wick on your 30-minute candle?
Nope.
Another die. 30 and the 15 are wickles.
Max, do you have a paid subscription for TradingView? Nah. Tried it once and didn't really have much benefit from it apart from the notifications. How long do you guys regularly spend watching the charts for trades? Well, just whenever the streams are on, right? But I suppose it's not like the whole time, you know. You do your analysis and then you just wait for something to break. So it can be very short if you just want the closures above and below. It's just when you're looking at the more of the trades in the zone, you have to be paying attention more. But I'd say we look at the charts, you know, like how long a day? Like 4 hours a day. Max, you had a great result last month. Congratulations, bro. Thank you very much. Hopefully you can do the same this month, maybe. Maybe not. We will see. But right now, yeah, looking at charts a little bit messy. Gold is not, though. Gold is beautiful. That trend line I wanted to take. Damn! 5:45 in the morning.
There's a nice area, the 5 minutes, which it can reject now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just got no lower wick. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
Good idea. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, the news later on this week. So that's later on, actually. That's 6 o'clock. Interesting. 6 o'clock, and then there's loads of Euro news tomorrow, and yeah, the pound news at 12 on Thursday. Yeah, that day is gonna be madness. And then the Friday,
Friday, my God. Oh my God.
Even the Wednesday federal rate is probably even worse, to be honest.
Yeah, it's on Wednesday we have ADP. And with ADP, you can more or less figure out the numbers of NFP.
Yeah, 100%.
Not figure out
Last time.
the numbers, but say if it's ish positive or negative.
Yeah. Oh yes. Did the times change? Nah, we're just starting a little bit early. I want to actually get up earlier with my fucking alarm. Didn't get set for some reason. Well, it did get set. I've really seen them, but I think my phone might have run out of battery. So let's see then with this little 5 minute if it can hold. Go on, GJ, pick a direction. Pick a direction. We know you can do it. My trading view has changed. Ooh. Maybe like updated. A little update. Yeah, Instagram yesterday was like banning people and shit, like accidentally. Like Caitlyn was just banned. I lost like 1,000 followers as well, so loads of people's accounts have just been banned. Madness. Yeah, this is the only Instagram, guys. Don't go and follow the little fake ones because they'll try and scam some people.
I've reported so many accounts. My God.
I know. Pain in the ass.
But at least now you are getting answers from Instagram saying we have looked into your report, it's annotated or stuff like that, which you did not get before. So they are taking some action towards it, or at least it shows. I don't know if they are really doing it, but
yeah. Are you in this manual?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I think we are good.
Well, the stop was so fucking tiny.
Yeah, 5 pips up is what I have.
I'm up around about 5. So there, now, I mean, our stop loss was only fucking 6.
Yeah.
So would you go break even soon?
Yeah, soon.
Yeah. So guys, I didn't call this out because I'm still learning this, right? This is just an OV. 55 minute, we had one, so. Ooh.
Yeah, I'll close 50% if we break the high of the previous. That's how I usually manage my trade on this shit.
Interesting. Look at that reflip. Oh!
Yeah.
I like how the that dirty has no lower work as well. That's why I quite liked it. So come on, GJ, get your ass down, boy. This is a trade you're in. Yeah, but it's not a trade that I have. I'm just practicing it with like a tiny lot. Like if you get an hourly closure every time an hourly closure is above, it fills the range. Sure does. But I just think the the 4-hour rejection already in the daily time frame. I just think GJ is gonna be nice for sells, to be honest. Nice for les sells. 220 people in the building already this morning. Big resistance as well, so it's quite a good area for a little OB as well. So. I want to know, wait, what, did you say you took GU?
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
30-minute OB, I think it was. Yeah, 30-minute OB, a 15-minute OB, which never got retested. Banked 70 pips on it. Full position.
Really? Nice.
Yeah. Did a little bit of a lower lot, but full position.
Yeah, the GJ simulation that we did yesterday, there was loads of OBs as well, and they all fucking launched. It's quite good. I'll upload that actually today.
Goldie, come down.
The news at 7 should be bad, to be honest, because of the increase of interest rates. Yeah. Is this the mortgages today? Mortgages? Yeah. Yep. 9 minutes time.
That close half of the position now.
Come on, GJ, pick your direction, man. We haven't seen a GJ push in a while, and it's been pretty rangy the whole of last week as well. I didn't take any trades in GJ last week. It's a madness. Yeah, let me just see. Did they fix it? The Instagram thing. Just type in Instagram. Yeah, a wave of people said their accounts were just deleted. Like Caitlin's was like fucking hell.
Deleted or suspended?
Like it said it's like fully deleted. Like you couldn't go find it.
Yeah, because I saw Instagram posting something yesterday that a bunch of accounts got suspended.
Yeah.
You just had to wait a little, so wait a bit, and then reconnect again.
Interesting. I wonder why though. What are they doing? Back on the clean slate. So end of October, 84%. Not too shabby. Come on, Cole, do something. Do you get it as well, Tom, or not? There's news at 9, yeah. There's some news in 6 minutes for GBP. Which could be quite interesting, right? It's about mortgages, housing. So we'll have to see with it, yeah. Wow, look at that. So many people get up early for work. Like it's 7 a.m. and like the traffic in town is mad. What are we thinking for the news? I think it's going to be negative. Yeah, I don't think people would want to buy any mortgages now. Why would you want to buy them? So, hopefully I can go break even on this gold very shortly. It seems to be raining, so I might just get out. Because obviously the news. Let's see if we can get break even. Yeah, I just got break even here. I don't trust it. Mainly because of this news, right? Because if this news spikes out like the mortgages are not selling and stuff, it's probably not the best, and gold may just get a little spike up and tap you out. And it's only for nationwide. It's not the whole UK. It's nationwide. It's a reputable one. They're expecting, you know, minus 0.4%. We'll have to see. Over here we have mortgage shop stop lending. Wow. Wowza. So in terms of Goldie, I mean above, let's take a look above. Let's take a look at the 50-minute. Yeah, we'll have to see if we can hold it. Do you know what strategy used 10 pip daily? He's kind of impulsive, right? No, I think he's very much on the ball. Really good trades. He also looks at retest entries as well. We take pretty similar trades if I look back. It's pretty similar to me. He gets into more trickier zones, but he just holds them. They work out very nicely for him. It's very nice. Gonna check later's NFP's non-performing loan ratio from the banks. It will skyrocket with its interest rate hikes, not only in the EU but also UK. Yeah. True that. Maybe gold hourly can close slightly above. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's a big resistance, though. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hour should put you off quite a lot. I don't really like these buys. I'm just putting them here for people that, you know, the zones could be okay, but it's still not the best. Yeah. So yeah, we'll have to see. So in a minute's time, we're gonna get the closure of the hourly time frame, all that good stuff. See how that closes on Goldie. GJ, nothing too much yet, right? We're just in a little range here. Consolidation. Easy closures for sells. Left hand side's got way too big support still. Gotta wait a little longer over here. You need to mark your zone like that. There's clearly a support, Asian lows, so yeah. If you look at Goldie, Goldie's launching up. Launching!
Fuck. It's really launching.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see for this 7 o'clock news, which is coming out right now. Wow, look at that launch on Goldie. Jeez. A rocket, a rocket, a rocket. So the hourly's close strongly above. So yeah, you have to wait, man. Maybe if it makes a nice little lower wick, potentially. Yeah, sometimes it does that. It's well annoying, isn't it? Sometimes the close custom buttons just fucking don't work. So it looks like GJ's coming down. Let's take a look at what the news was. German imports minus 0.9. That isn't too good. For German imports. And for HPI. Do they even have it yet? Not yet. Still bright and early though. It's only 7 o'clock, right? But look at Goldie, man. Look at that little rocket. 5 minute just pushed. Oh, we don't have naked HD anymore. It's girls 18. Wow, amazing. We miss naked HD. He needs to come back. So GJ now is starting to continue back down to the Asian lows, which is good. Which is great work.
Now I understand why Brian took that entry.
Which one?
Because it was the one on gold. Because it was the 1 hour closure. It was strongly closing above the Asian highs. Like it's strongly closed. Asian highs closed around 39.98 ish, and the hourly closed at 41.79.
Why do I have no fucking... Why do I have not my Asian range on? Asian range. There we go. Ah, this one here. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense, right? Closure above. The zone above is actually not too bad. It's still 30 pips. Yeah. So right now, GJ's coming down, back down to Asian lows. See how it reacts over here, but it's looking good, man. The 4 hour time frame, you can see it's pretty bearish. Could be breaking the low of the previous. The daily time frame also has just flipped, so it looks pretty promising. Watching the soccer on the right screen or pips? You always know, Brian. Come on, gold, GJ, get yourself down. Sells below 172.30 are going to be beautiful. So that 4 hour is heading nicely, eh? Goldie's really storming. No top work on the hourly though for GJ. Yeah, I mean it's the news just came out, so it's kind of fair if it just wants to leave that zone, right? I don't think that's too much of an issue. And I generally think for this 4 hour, when it's breaking that previous low, we should be good to continue down, especially with the daily confluence as well. What do you think about gold? Gold is bullish, right? It's pushing into the zone. I mean, for entries are a little bit earlier this morning, either a 5 minute trendline break there, or maybe a closure above on the 15 or 30s. now, yeah, you gotta wait a little longer over here. Because it's already bullish, right? Gotta maybe wait for some support to form, maybe. Yeah, break of the daily lows is nice on GJ. I think it would be my entry. Yeah. Yep. For impulse is fair enough, break of the lows, but I think you could just wait for a closure and also be beautiful. So yeah, we'll have to see. Still respecting the Asian lows right now, but it's got a while.
Well, looking at the monthly, it's just making the monthly high wick.
What is gold?
Yeah, because it's bearish as shit on the monthly.
Yeah. Yeah, the monthly looks good to continue down, eh? Very nice. Come on, GJ, get your ass down, boy. Give us them cells. It's the only thing I can really see in GJ all day, so I kind of want this. And then we can get a little goalie on later on, probably. 263 people in the already. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Only 56 likes. Make sure you like the stream. We just finished our last month. 16 wins, 3 losses or so. Or, yeah, I think it's 3 losses. So yeah, guys, be careful on bank holidays. Yeah, it's a French and Italian bank holiday. Fair enough.
Yeah, here in Portugal it's also bank holiday.
Very nice. Yeah, EU bank holiday, interesting. Yeah, so it shouldn't really affect us that much, really. Euro doesn't really do much anyway, to be honest. So hopefully we can, if it breaks the Asian lows, it'd be much better to come to at least 240, and then we can get ourselves below. And that'll probably happen, maybe towards 8 o'clock. Maybe. It broke the 4-hour lows, looking good. Nice flip on the 5-minute. Took a red 1-minute close back in the range in GJ. What? A red 1-minute close back in the range. One-minute close. GJ move came from 1 hour and 5-minute OB. Anyone catch that sell? Ooh. A 1-minute OB, did you say? I can't see it.
No.
Oh, 1 hour. From up there. This is the chain before the push. It tapped it there, so it makes sense. Very nice. I think this could be good, man. It's looking good. It's looking good. So we have 4 minutes left for this closure. 4 minutes left. Had to see how strong this closure. If not, I'll probably wait for the 30 to close. Yeah, it's looking good. Look at Goldie, man. Just shut up. Easy. EJ might be cleaner. Probably want it below, yeah, 440 maybe. Because there's resistance, there's support, but you have to use the lowest one. So yeah, we got 3 minutes left or so for this GJ. We're looking good. Obviously the 4 hours broke the previous low. Now the daily also very bearish, flipped and continued bearish, so we'll have to see. We will have to see. So yeah, as I said, if this 15 doesn't close that nicely, and I'll just use the other one, because realistically here my stop loss is fucking massive, like 40 pips. So we may have to wait a little longer so we can get some nice like top wicks, maybe retest on the Asian levels. We'll have to see. We will have to see. For people who've just joined the mentorship last night, I'll do all the things. Just there's been so many people joining, I can't really do them all at once. I think I've had about 12 people, 13 people join on the past like day. So I just gotta add you all to the G Drive this morning. Right, this is pushing nice in the zone. Ho ho ho! Very nice.
Wait for us, GJ. Wait for us.
Yeah, wait for us to get on, boy. Wait for us. So, yeah, it's got 18 pips to 170. That's okay as well. To fill the rest of that zone, but yeah, 169, 850. Very nice. Let me actually just record this just in case I take something. I've beaten GJ Sales from 170 800. Very nice. Current candle is good in times of high volume. Roger used it a lot and it works great. Yeah. Just if it makes you a top wick or not. Because if it gives you a little tiny nipple, you can't base that whole trade on that little nipple. It can easily just wick you out and then continue later on. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe. We're here every morning. One of the biggest London streams. If not the biggest, I think. Yeah, definitely the biggest, actually. Champion Pips only on 50. Yeah, let's see if we can get a nice top wick. Yep. Also got to close below, right? It might not close here.
Right on it.
It's closed right on it, yeah. It might be alright. It's closed a little bit below.
Yeah.
You gotta see how big this top wick is. I gotta, yeah. If I miss it, I miss it. Where is stop loss? Exactly, where is stop loss? That is the issue. Yeah. You could maybe have it on the daily flip and just get the push, maybe. I'm gonna wait for a retracement. If not, I'll probably just wait for the 30. Because that 15 closed like pretty much on it. So I want to be a little bit cautious. Also looking to the left, a lot of wicks here, so I don't think I have to be in no rush. If it goes though, I fully get that. I'm not asked, That's just one of the things. If it's not how you want to get in, I really want my stop loss below the previous 15-minute candle here, which is 35 pips away, which is way too big. So I've got to wait for either a top wick to get the retest entry, maybe Asian lows, and then use it, or get the flip or the break of the low. But right now, if I got the break of the low, I don't think I'm going to trust this high yet. So yeah. But for people who are impulsive and they like the way GJ moves, I think recently it hasn't been as clean. So that wouldn't give me confidence to get this break of the low. But anyway, it's breaking the low now. But yeah, I'm just going to wait a little longer. Oh yeah. Let's see if it can do it. But yeah, I think if I do miss it, I mean the zone is quite big, so we may have a nice pullback for the next 30 to close. So we'll see. It's still very early on.
Yeah, the 30 has no top wick, or the hour has no top wick.
Yeah, it's far away though, so looking like maybe the impulses are gonna work. Broken the lows. Looking good. Um, 30 cleaner. I can wait 15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it's just one of those things with the stops, man. I mean, realistically here, maybe just getting in there with the stop loss above the daily flip could have been quite nice. Seems to respect daily flips. So, but that's just it's kind of guessing it, right? So if you got there 18 pips, you'd be up now like 12. Yeah, it should be a break even. Yeah. Let's take a look at Goldie. Goldie finding its first bearish candle, maybe. 12 minutes time. In terms of the 4 hour and the daily, we really are rejecting these lows again, so. Go on, GJ, pull up a little bit, boy. Mate, it's gone. It's gone! Take a look at the hourly in the zone. Yeah, we're still clean. So maybe a closure here on the next 30 would be okay, but my god, it keeps on pushing it. Push, yes, GJ. Andrea's in a sell over here. Yeah, so the news actually, let's take a look at what it was now. Minus 0.9. This is the, yeah. So I actually had a little sell stop on over here. This is why Brian was taking the mick out of me. Just tried it on the news because I expected this to be quite a bad number. Maybe even worse than minus 0.4. So yeah, I had a, just played with a little bit of news over here. Impulse for the win. Yeah. How many pips you up? Well, I closed at the support. I was up like 35 pips. I got in the break of that low there. Look at that retracement though. This is good. We've got to wait for the 30, see if the 30 closes below. Maybe a nice top wick then. Find some resistance, maybe come back up to the daily flip, then continue down. Could be good. So we still got a lot of time here, which is good. Thank God I didn't just do that in that one little push. But, you know, did I expect it to push in that one little push? Well, yeah, I did, because the left-hand side's clean, so that's fine. I'd rather wait a little bit for me. Luke is the biggest. What's this about? So yeah, last night did a nice little withdraw. Is the signal chat again? Of course you didn't, Finny boy. It's Newsboy. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Oh yeah. So
something about withdrawal.
Yeah. So last night withdrew 7% of my account, left in the rest, and then upgraded my lot size 13%. And that's all you do. So you pay yourself out, move on to the next month. Because I made 21%, so take it out, move on to the next one. Who do you think is the biggest London streamer? I don't know. They're all pretty good. I do not know. Brian London is. So 8 minutes left for this 30 close. Your boy. Because Dr. Dollar's not doing it anymore. He always had loads of views. He's doing NY now. So there's only Champion Phoenix, what, DC maybe? Hungry for pips. Wow, he's got a good win rate. But he says plus 1,048 pips. He's one of them people. Anything on EJ? So the EJ did close below the minus support, but I don't really know about this level down here. I don't know. I think I'm just boycotting EJ recently, to be honest with you. I've got resistance here, I've got support there, so it doesn't match well. Look at this, it doesn't match well. Support there, resistance there. They should be normally on the same line, so it's kind of contradicting. If I find it too hard to find a zone, then I just leave it, right? Whereas GJ, we found it pretty easily here.
Yeah, I think GU is looking nice on a higher time frame, like daily, put a daily and then the 4 hour.
Yeah, for sell.
Yeah, for sell.
Yeah. Daily's made a top wick. What I was rejecting. Yeah, it looks good.
And 30 minutes is closing back in a ASEAN range after we break.
Yeah, let's look at the 15. Yeah, that's previous support. 30 minutes going to close back bearish. Yeah, makes sense. 100%. Oh, yeah. Don't do it, GJ. Holy. Some volume coming in over here. See how this closes? I know this isn't a good practice, but trading just a 1,000 mod account yesterday, I made £12 profit, but made £12.92 on payback effects. Fucking hell. How many trades did you take? £12.82. Just for now, waiting for a GJ entry. Yeah. I don't know. I think this is going to go without us, unfortunately. But we'll see. Maybe, hopefully, the 30-minute can make a nice top wick as well. But it looks like it's a little bit emphatic. It was breaking the lows, and then it fucking wicked up like 10 pips. So I've got to let it do its little thing over here. We should easily get to at least 170 flat, right? That's 10 pips away. too many. I went down to 930-ish. Interesting. Oh, look at that Goldie. Bit of resistance. Everyone else looking at this for sells? Close your back in the zone. Four-hour kind of rejected the previous 4-hour support as well. I quite like these sells. Oh, it's a big freaking stop. 47 pips. But yeah, to close your back in the zone, should fill the zone up. Very, very nice bearish engulfing as well. Just checking if there's any M's there. Oh my god, Goldie. Calm down, brother. Calm down. It's checking your numbers and it's flying. That shit's melting. See, it makes a nice top wick though, and then maybe it's just obviously stops are going to be rather big, so you've got to wait until this makes a good top wick, because then you can use current candle. But look at that 30-minute as well. Fake out from the upside, which is good. It should fill this zone pretty nicely. Daily time frame also looking like it's rejecting. So, yeah, it's kind of interesting. I actually kind of like Goldie more than GJ, to be honest, because GJ's fucking around at this level. Can you see the 5 minutes are a little bit losing volume, and they seem to be struggling a bit? We'll see, though. 3 minutes left. I'm in that gold cell. Very nice. Do you like it, Manuel? Think you make a top wick. Ooh. A lot of volume this morning.
Without us.
Huh?
Just don't want it to run without us.
Yeah. Oh, yes. So yeah, on gold, GJ would be just a 30-minute closure. I should be good, man. Beautiful chart this morning. Beautiful chart this morning. 335 viewers. Oh my god. Make sure I like the stream. Hell yeah. It's only 7:30, man. You got a lot of early people this morning. People are getting up early. They're like me. I'm sick of this NY session. I'm coming to London session. Needs to close below 230, 240. So what I mean by this setup, guys, on gold is a closure back in the zone. So it is like this. Sorry. So prices came up. We've closed above the resistance, which is this line here. Pushed into a zone, rejected, closed bearish below. This is the confirmation candle. Nice top wick to fill the zone. Please make a top wick. Please make a top wick. I wouldn't even mind if it breaks the previous 15, to be honest, because it can retest the Asian high. GJ testing my nerves. I'm thinking with the volume though, the break of the low actually wouldn't be that bad, and that's a 20 pip stop, 276. 50-minute res and gold though. It's just a closure back in the zone, man. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, GJ pushing up, which is good. Flip of the candle you could get. I just don't know if I trust that top wick stop. How big could I have it on the daily flip? Because look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute obviously can come all the way back up. So I don't really want to get caught and just use a little shitty 50-minute stop there when it could easily break it and then reflip later. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the top wick. If it flips and pushes, great. I just don't trust that 50-minute stop. I think that we could potentially maybe come a little higher. So yeah, in terms of Goldie's making a top wick right now. Looking like GJ's working. Very nice. But yeah, something about it, it's just, I don't know. Oh, Goldie's the retrace right there. How big are your stops there? Fucking massive. Oh my god. They're huge. Yeah, this is quite hard on Goldie as well. Stops are rather big, right? The zone's big enough, right? But the stops above are rather huge. 46 pips. So, I mean, you could use the previous body there. Still 33 pips. 20 pips there. That was probably the only way you could really get in here. Interesting. I don't see resistance on gold. No, it's still... I don't know where the resistance is. Where's the 15 res? Here? It's very weak. It's not anything. Look at the 30. The 30's clean as hell. The 30 looks great. We'll see. So I think for both questions here, guys, is that stops are quite big on both charts. And so I need to wait for more of a proper top wick to then maybe take the sell stop on gold. So if it comes back above here, then I'll much like it, because if it breaks that high and then comes to the zone and rejects, then we're clearly rejecting this zone from 1645 to 1651. How did GJ do? Yeah, it's fucking around. I don't really like the 5-minute. The 5-minute also closed bullish previous one as well. So let 30-minute do its thing. It might come up a little bit higher, but when we get the reflip, sorry, my god. When we get the reflip there, your stop will be, your stop will be here, and you'll get the drive and the rejection. So, yeah. Have you found a better stop? Maybe a 5-minute? It's just so hard. The fucking stops are massive.
Yeah.
EJ reacted off my resistance. Go on, GJ, get your ass up. Push, push, push. So if you use current low on the previous 15, that could be realistic. 15 pips. Because now, if you re-break this low, you'll probably get enough volume in. We'll see. Come on, gold, get up. Yeah, I'm sneezing a lot. I think I definitely have an allergic to something in this gaff. Okay, this top wick's getting much nicer now. 16 pips. So I think I might go for that over here. Stops like 1645. 1640 we get to. Okay, so I'm going for this Goldie over here. If you break the low of the current candle, 1 second, let me just get rid of this and this and this. Yeah, so it can do as much as it wants with this, but I think once we reflip in here, we're going to continue to push it in this zone, fill this zone up. So yeah, boy. 1 second. 1645.7. Yeah, nice. The more it comes up, that's fine. I don't really care. The more rejection it gets. If it does reflips, then fine. You're allergic to GJ. Come on, GJ, get your ass up. It's probably going to be the same kind of move, I think, for both of them. Both retracing. So that's one of the things, right? Do you see my whole process there? Like, there's two examples here that both haven't really worked out yet, and I was not really confident with the stops. I'd rather, you know, miss the trade, or if it does come, you know, and it makes a bigger top wick, then I can get in. So it's just one of those things. Yeah. GJ's reflipped again. This is probably going to be the move now. That's a good reflip. Break of the low. Ooh. Very nice. So reflip was quite good there. Still look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's broken at the previous lows. So I have to see. Still look at GJ Goldie now. Gold, baby. Go, gold, gold. This is great, though. This is, the more time it messes around in this area, the better. When we start breaking the current low, it should get a nice little push. Got in the 50-minute flip on open. Better entry would have been breaking the previous candle lows. Still messing, eh? So good rejection from the resistance. Not in yet. Now I'm in. So hopefully the stop is safe. Obviously it's quite hard because I want my stop actually above over here, but I think that's good rejection. Are you in? Yes. Gold going 1627. Oh, wow. Some big targets over here. Big targets. And then maybe further below also we'll have maybe a 5 minute trend line as well, so that could be quite good. 5 minute trend line. Ow. So this is not what I'm wanting really, I'm wanting the drive straight away, but anyway. We'll have to see. How long left until 8 o'clock? Yeah, 20 minutes. It's okay. Goldie GJ reflipping again? Fucking hell, does everyone want to pick its direction, boy? Come on, GJ. Thought I was going to run without us. It's bloody taking us time. Yeah, it's a hard trade, this one. It's very, very hard because the stops are, you know, not solid. But we'll see. Okay, so 3 minutes left of this candle. 3 minutes left of this 50-minute candle. Three minutes left. Do-do. 2 minutes left. We got 2 minutes left to go. We got 2 minutes left to go. Okay, so pushing decent. Kind of wanted to do that straight away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to look at the 5 minute. Push you, motherfucker! Oh! Oh, fucking push! You need a nut, boy. It's clean below. The 30 is beautiful.
Yeah,
break that 30-minute low, boy. Break that 30-minute low, you pussy. Oh! It's come around about 8 pips in profit over here, guys. Stop loss to break even. Sheesh! Stop loss to break even, risk-free trade.
Let's go, 40 pips. I have 40 pips.
Now stink down, you pussy. Not fucking not for November. No, not November. Well, there's fucking nuts coming in this chat, boy. We just took a GJ nut.
That does not work here. No, not November.
Okay, nice. So I'm gonna close the movie here, guys. Around about 12 pips. Beautiful work. Very, very nice. Is it come and hit it yet? 65? Yeah. Beautiful work. So close 80% there. And then obviously we've got a little runner going, okay?
Oh, now we have the 5-minute trend lines coming up.
Yeah, so it might be good, eh? Come Come on, boy. Get that runner. Get that stinky runner, boy. No, not November win. Another win for the group over here. Very, very nice. Very good. Put some W's in the chat, guys. I want some W's, man. Get some dubs in the chat. Oh my god, there's so many W's in the chat, boy. Beautiful work. I mean, you can see if the runner could stay on, right? I think in terms of the runner, we could be okay. Obviously, this 50 minutes making a top wick, right? So we do have to withstand the 50-minute top wick, but I think we might be okay. The only issue is the retest there, you see? But our entry's higher than that, so we could be okay. 99 likes, guys. 350 people in the chat and only 99 likes. Bro, take the like button out of the sky. Good call not taking GJ. Yeah, it was just messing around, right?
Yeah, it's messing around.
Messing around, and if Brian ever comes on this fucking Zoom call ever again, we'll discuss how the closure back in the zone, man. Holy shit, it works all the time. Like it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
No, if we can get the drive down and then this monthly flips, because this is the top wick on the monthly, and if we flip, well, I have an OB marked up. What is it? Oh fuck! No, I lost my chart there. Which is my TP at 2409.
Bloody beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. I hope this runner can continue, man. My second TP, I put in the chat was 1640, which is Asian highs.
Yeah.
So I think that's pretty reasonable.
Yeah, I'll close more runners there.
Yep. Why not another entry off 50 minute? Bro, I've got the perfect entry. I don't need another entry. I feel the only people who are asking that is because they didn't get into the first trade. I got my entry, boy. I planned, I executed. It's closure back in the zone. If you take a look at the 30-minute time frame, it's exactly what I discussed. Exactly what I planned out. It's closure back in the zone. This is the confirmation candle because it's closed back below resistance. This is the entry candle after it made a top wick, and that's exactly what I've done. You finally took a closure back in. GJ, same story. Well, yeah, GJ could be the same story but opposite, right? Let's just see. Does it look like it? It's getting pretty close to it. The only difference is that it hasn't actually closed above current support, right? Current support is at the daily flip, so it could still easily reject this level later. My god, quality is bad. So check it out. So see if this runner can continue. I really think it can, which would be great. We can really start to push down over here. Come on, push, boy. Gold break even? Yeah, you got to be at break even here now, right? If it gets to the push, great. If it doesn't. Stop loss is like 14 pips. Like 16, 17 now. Very nice. Okay, yeah, so looking like the GPY pairs are faking out all of these areas. Interesting. The 30-minute as well. But there's 9 minutes left for this 30. What I would advise, if you get a 30-minute flip, take that fucking sell. I think I'm probably gonna take that sell then, because now we've retraced the Asian lows. If it wants to reject, that'll be great for the push. But right now it looks like we are coming straight back in that zone. So take a look at USD JPY. It's pushing. Okay, I don't trade USD JPY, but send me a chart. So let's see if we stay on. I don't know if we will, unfortunately. Double Light Squad London coming up. Yes, London.
Okay, I'm out.
You out? Oh, I'm still in. I'm out now. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, let's just write this on.
Now I love my 10 picks.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, is this like retesting morning? Is this retesting like the 5-minute break or not? I've been watching. I took the trade. Thanks, Max.
It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, it's
the descending trend line.
Ah.
It like broke through, and now.
Did it break through here? That one there? No.
I had it. No, I had it a bit. Where did I have it? Or maybe I fucked up. I had it from 38.14.
Yeah, so you've only got one. You've only got one touch, right?
One touch.
I know, and then you got that wick there. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Look, and actually, you know, it makes sense, right? This candle's coming up to retest this. If it holds this, it's still gonna go down, right? 100%. So it is just a 5-minute retest. In terms of that trend line, though, I'd be a little bit cautious because this is where we've really started. Like, the Asian low is normally quite a good point to start your trend line. Then there's one touch there. I think this is a main trend line, but that one, you know, it's still okay. I just think it's maybe a little bit too steep, and it's only like one candle. There's only like an hour difference, 2-hour difference. But yeah, looking like a, you know, I actually think if this, as long as this level here holds, we're still gonna come down.
Yeah.
Yeah. 100%. So it could be, you know, you could even try the retest there, stop loss above. But I don't know. I just feel after the first move, you go, well, I've given it. As long as, you know, let's look at the 15 as well. Yeah, the 15's got 5 minutes left, right? It's making a top wick, so it could still easily reflip here. But 5 minutes left, especially until the new hourly, I wouldn't risk it, because if this hourly closes back above, then it might be making some support.
Yeah.
I actually forgot about the break even with the smaller lot from earlier for the monthly record. Nah, because I didn't call it out. I'm not. That's just me fucking around with the OBs. You know, I won't put that one on there because it gives people a false representation of the trades I've took. Like, this is a trade that I took and it from start to finish, whereas that I'm just doing it on the side, just fucking around. What type of trade was that for my journal? It was a closure back in the zone. Closure back in the zone. This one here. Yeah, so I'll just draw the closure back in the zone just to make sure you guys completely know what I mean. Right. Okay. So if this, let me just get this little line here. 1 second. Make this a little bit larger. So let's just say, I mean, this is quite hard because there's so many zones here, but let's just do this one, right? So this is the support, this is the resistance, right? Which I've got marked. So that whole level is zone 1. Above, we've got a support, which is this level here now because it's previous resistance, and a resistance, which is here. This is zone 2. Price moved out from zone 1 into zone 2. Some people got the buys there. Great. I didn't get a closure, so I didn't take that. Then we rejected, closed back into zone 2. So as long as you make a nice nipple wick and reject the resistance, then we're going to sell back down. We should eventually fill the whole zone, okay? So that's exactly what we got. The confirmation candle was this bearish one here. Engulfed the previous as well, which is great. Next one makes a wick. I get in on the flip using current candle stops to push into the zone. So that's all it is. So looking like GJ is going to fake out. Interesting. Tap that wick to the left. Can you see here? So interesting. Gold re-entry, 1 hour fake out. We'll see how this closes. Because it really should have just pushed there, to be honest. So sometimes you could be making some support, right? So I just want to be a little bit careful with that. We'll see. Okay, 50-minute time frame. Closure back in this. It was also 30-minute. 15 and 30, because the 30 closed below is also 15 and 30. Closure back into the zone with confirmation of previous bearish engulfing. Yes. Yep. Oh, yeah. So interesting. Yeah, interesting. GJ's coming back up, eh? Back into this shitty zone, to be honest. The only trade that I could potentially maybe look for reasonable trades is if this candle closes bullish, this next, whatever it wants to close as, and then the next candle closes back. Oh my fucking god, 1 sec. Closes back out. 1 second. Like this. Next candle fills. That's probably only. That's what I'm looking for. Because here, right, it's a break. It's a break here. Break, retest, then to continue back down. So it's probably the only thing I see here. Looking at Goldie maybe making some support. Can you see the hourly is going to close in a minute's time, not below my zone. So yeah, just always being able to just read exactly what you want to trade and just, yeah. Anyone take GJ Autistic Candle? Yeah, anyone take that? Let's take a look at the 3. Was there any W's? Oh no. That was a nice closure above though. Did you just take the 15 bullish closure, Bri? $16 pip stop, 16 pip gain. Beautiful. Fake out of the zone. I think that's a class trade. So let's just write this on. Delete that column. Time on stream. Let's take a look. 7:30. 35. Gold. Sell. Fake out. So Don calls a fake out. I need to get this guy to make me one of these. Flip. It was based really on the 30 because the 30 closed. The risk is not a risk anymore. Wait. Oh shit, yeah, I need to sort that out, don't I? I need to put in stop loss. Actually, I'll just delete that. Then I need to add. Stop loss. I think stop was like 40. 40. Total pips and do a next column. Percentage gained. Equals sum. Is it the sum? No, it's. I forgot what it was. Oh shit! 1 second. Sorry guys, 1 sec. 0.014. Do, 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 do. Did I do wrong? I'll sort that out anyway. I think I did the wrong way around. H6. Yes, I did. It's that one as well, actually. Sorry. Right, I've sold that one a bit. I had trouble with that last time, for fuck's sake. What do you think about smart money concepts? Yeah, great. Good. I think as a group of all, I mean, this is why Brian and them aren't here right now, because I think they're probably discussing that more in depth. But yeah, it's good. It's good to see zones that struggle to break, so you can always have your TPs there. You also get some nice entries which run for a long time, so good R to R. So yeah, it's good. Yeah. So yeah, GJ back in the zone. 15-minute closed bullish. Didn't really close above though again, but nice little push. 8 o'clock. Now we're back in that shitty zone. Can you see? So it's nothing that I really want to take. Gold, however, 50-minute closed bullish. Sorry, I was too busy fucking around. Has it got lower wick? Ah, it doesn't. That's a bit annoying. I didn't. Did it close above? Nope. Ah, that's a shame. I was thinking, because if that 30-minute closed back above, then that's just a support forming, right? I think that would be quite nice. Okay? Because it'd be like this. Okay, price is broken up, comes back down. 50-minute closes bullish, engulfs the previous, but didn't close above my resistance and didn't really hold a support really. I suppose it might have down there, but the left-hand side there's resistance right there, so it's not good, bruv. It needs to close above. Can I get your sample sizing? Do you just mean my spreadsheet? So yeah, looking like goalie's blasted off over here. 4 hour looking good. 128 likes today, amazing work. If you guys also haven't followed me on Instagram, I post all of the trades that we take on Instagram. So, it's actually somewhere. Let me just put it. Yeah, make sure to go follow it. For some reason, I've been having some stagnation recently. So I might have to get a bit more creative and ninja. I don't know fucking why. It looks pretty good. But anyway, I'm just so uncreative it hurts. Yeah, make sure to go like and follow and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. I'm definitely gonna upgrade my Instagram into more stuff, like not just like the boring like stuff. I want to show a bit more, so I'll do that. Head over to bigpips.com. Head over to www.autisticbaldhead. Pips. Quite a nice break and retest on GU. Okay. Beautiful. That's a bit like what Goldie did as well. And that's nice, right? That's good. Because why? GU closed above the resistance. So that was a great support forming. Yeah, can you see here? Can you see that this here was a support there? If I just get this. Support here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. support here. That was your confirmation. Take the buy, break of the high, previous high, stop loss below. Bob's your uncle. That was a class trade. Well done. Really, really good trade, that. Hey Max, just a question. 4 hours shows a potential wick fill and 30-minute shows closure below resistance. 30-minute timer doesn't mean jack, right? Is this for my trade? Just a question. 4 hours shows potential wick fill. 30-minute timer doesn't mean jack, right? No, 30-minute timer does mean jack. I actually think a lot of people, because obviously, right, higher time frames, you know, there's stronger confirmations. But I actually think more in terms of, and I think a lot of people in the group would agree, the higher time frames we know for targets in terms of resistances and supports, not like a wick fill. You know, I wouldn't really care what the higher time frames are saying in terms of where price is going. It's just where price may interrupt, may struggle. That's normally what I like using the higher time frames. So, for example, when we were fucking around in this area here, I was a bit cautious because the 4-hour resistance is there. But in terms of like a wick fill, you know, I don't know. For me, it's just it's sometimes blinding your eyes with lower time frames just to see the 4-hour wick fill. It's like, well, yeah, the 4-hour wick fill could be good, but is there 30-minute reses everywhere? You know what I mean? Like, you don't get the full picture. I only use higher time frames really now for where price could end up later on to give you like an overall bias. Where price could struggle in terms of resistances and supports. And yeah. Can you see over here that this GJ, when it came down, actually took to tap the daily resistance? That's where it probably reacted off and why it reacted off. So, makes sense. Sorry, Max, let me reword. The 30-minute shows a closure below resistance on gold. Was that a chance for a fake out? Yeah. It's a closure back in the zone, I call it, but it's just a fake out. Yeah. And normally with a sells fake out, we get a fucking nice drop. Like you know, I think if we've done that maybe 1,000 times, a good percentage of them are down here in the next 30 minutes. So this one's quite mad. But I mean, you know, the 4-hour was very, very bullish, right? So it's fine. And the hourly was quite bullish as well, I think. The hourly goes bearish. Oh no, it goes bearish, yeah, but above, yeah. Oh, look at GJ. Look at GJ. The hourly timer came all the way back up, nearly broke the high the previous, then rejected. The hourly actually still closed below, so interesting. I'm gonna wait for some bearish resistance to form. So something like this. Can you see? Because we've broken out of it, which is this push down here. We're getting the retracement right now, which is here. Wait for some bearish candles to close, to then ride it maybe back down to 170. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna quickly go get a brew. I'll be 5 minutes or so. Talk. Oh my god, how many people do we have in Zoom? 38 people. Holy shit. Damn. Damn. So I'll be a couple minutes. Oh, you guys are gonna see my fucking outfit. Oh no, you can't see it. Thank God for that. My bottoms are not good. A Goldie. Damn. Okay. And I'll grab GJ short from 15 IC. Literally 5 bangers. Oh! Ho ho! A 15-minute IC. Well, that one here, right? That. How big were your stops? 19 pips. There's another 15 to add to the bank. Yeah, 15 would be good enough if it's strong enough, yeah. But if I get a bit too cautious, then I'll just happily wait for the 30 as well, you know. I'm just fluid with that, you know. You gotta like don't just be like too set and like right, it has to be a 30-minute. Like just, you know, see how the candles form. All that good stuff. So yeah, clean buys above 1650 are gonna be looking good as well later on. Would you class GU on 5-minute triple top? No. Don't think so. Ooh, anyone see that M on GU as well? Fuck. That was a nice M as well. You take it, Sash. You take it, Sajon. Breaking close below. Yeah. Ooh, that wick though was a bit scary, eh? Nah, mine retested on the 5-minute, Sash, GU. GJ, it's about GU. GU. Let's take a look at this 15. So 15 closed bullish, got to wait for an extra 15, which also would be the 30-minute closure, right? So that's fine. So if you get a 30-minute closure bearish, could be quite good to continue. Yeah, if people, I don't know what else to post on Instagram. I'm just so uncreative. Anyone find what you want me to post? Would you want to post pictures of me on a Lambo? I can't do that shit, it's just not me. FOREX guru? What's that switch he said today? Rented Lambo. Post
well, you constantly posting value, which is what few people do, which is good.
There you go for Dan Bilzerian's Instagram. Yeah, for sure. Look at that guy, he's getting fucking 2,000 views just for that. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? It's embarrassing. I'm sorry, it's absolutely embarrassing. It's bullshit. You can trade from your phone. You can fucking lose money trading on your phone. Thank you very much. Madness. So what people do for a fucking buck. It's funny though, because like, even when I talk to my mates about it, they give me a bad rep for it. They go, wait, what? You do like a streaming thing and you trade? He goes, that's like bullshit. I go, well, I'll just, like, you can't really show it because obviously you just put in the same brand as all these fucking stupid cunts. Whoever's Adam on Instagram, that was great. FIFA rage videos, yeah, maybe. The only issue is obviously it's not my gas. I can't really rage as much as I would when I'm at home. Why are you always hating? Yeah, he might do something you dislike, then don't look at his page and promote it on your live screen every day. I'm not promoting it, I'm slagging it off because I think it's embarrassing. I think it's taking advantage of people who don't have money to try and flex them a lifestyle that they have from fucking people paying them £1,200. That's what I think. How long, Manuel, how long was that for? £1,200? Is that for like forever or a yearly thing or what?
No, forever.
Yeah. And did he just put signals in? Does he just put signals in every day?
Yeah, that's the only thing
That's
he
it.
did. He had a WhatsApp, which he sent all the signals, and the signals were usually at the daily close.
Really?
Yeah, so if the daily close
bullish
below a trend line, you enter a sell. If you closed above a trend line, you enter a buy. Yeah.
Interesting. Would you call it a day with 3 W's? No. I feel this group has came on leaps and bounds, man. As long as you've got your own discipline, and hell no. Go NY, probably take another W. The only thing is that if you take 3 W's a day, if you take maybe one loss, then I'd say just sack that day off. Yeah. But for the most part now, just trade the way you want it, right? Way too many. Steve takes like fucking 13 a day. So we've got 8 minutes left for this. I'm looking to sell GJ if 50-minute close is bearish, looking to fill that hourly wick. Yep. That looks good. I may agree if we close, depends how we close. Yeah. Oh yeah. See how this gold does, right? Because obviously the hourly's got no bottom wick. Look at that. If that hourly reflips, could be interesting.
Yeah, I just taking profits and I'm going for a shower after this fucking trade.
Do you have trend lines to the wicks always, or just sometimes bodies? Always the wicks. Yeah. If there's no wick, then obviously the body, but it's always a wick. Wick, yeah. Yeah, always to the wicks. So yeah, the hourly's about to reflip. Yeah, DK, yeah, look good, GJ maybe. Because the hourly still has closed below, right? I just want to see how this 15 closes, to be honest.
Okay, almost got tapped out of gold. Almost.
What did you take? A buy?
A sell.
Oh my god.
Yeah, on the 1 minute.
Very nice.
Yeah. But I was I entered. I was in drawdown for, let's see, the entire fucking zone. So 8 pips. With not much, but the entire zone, the entire box. I was in drawdown.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'll post a picture on Telegram.
$142 people in fucking hell. I mean, madness. So yeah, I'll still wait
My
5
stops
minutes.
again.
Huh?
Let me move my stops again.
Yeah, this gold hourly may flip. Shit. Is the hourly flip a good sell opportunity? Well, you've got to look on the lower time frame. So the 30-minute, yeah, it might be. I mean, it depends. Your stop loss on the hourly flip is going to be 35 pips. It's quite big. To fill the wick below is 28. So it's RTR isn't the nicest. 5 minutes left for this closure. Probably wait for this closure. See how the 30 closes. Probably what you'd want to do. Probably. See if it gets there. If it closed above, is it a celery play? You'd be interested taking. Wait, what? If it closed above, oh, like the 30? Celery play is the opposite direction now. So, don't really know what you mean. Send me a chart. I'll give you a draw on it, maybe.
15 minutes just closed back into this ugly zone. My God.
Which one?
GG.
GG. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But I want it to close straight back out. If it has any luck. If it has any luck. Did anyone take any NY trades yesterday? In the YouTube?
No. No, the only trade I took was GU, and it was late on the day. So
Yeah.
it was 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock.
I had a few trades yesterday afternoon.
You had many trades yesterday.
You taking the gold cells?
I was all over the place.
I took a GG and gold cell. Oh, nice. NY was so clean. Was it? To be fair, the only thing I like was the M formation GJs. Fucking Caitlyn needed me though. I think gold we use a bit. Ugh, I like to push first the cells, but it took its time. The resistance forming actually was not bad here. I don't trade GJ on NY, by the way. Ah, very interesting.
Yeah, it was a gold cell, Max.
Yeah, I thought it was.
I stacked it 3 times.
We're using your small percentage though, right?
My 0.2%.
Yeah.
Well, I think I got a 70 pip banger.
Beautiful. 70 pepperoni.
My memory's a little bit fuzzy. Hence why I slept in and sound like a fucking dustbin.
Wait, what were you doing?
I was smashed.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you fucked me up with your time when you said about New York not being in, and I thought, fuck it.
So yeah, we'll start New York this morning at it's 11, isn't it? Yeah, it's 11 till 1 now. Yeah. Pretty pain in the ass.
I couldn't figure it out. I thought he's on fucking drugs. Why would America have different time to us? Yeah.
Yeah, it's 1 week. For some reason. Unless your name's Steve. Yeah, GJ is not really doing much, eh? 50 seconds left for this closure. Looking a little bit shitty. Not the best. Will NY go back to 12 next week? Yeah, I think so. Oh, yes. If you guys do want to join NY session, I do that live with the group. I'll put the link in there to join it. So you can come and talk a load of shit on Zoom as well. And London go forward next week too? No. Oh my god. How many hours from now is NY stream? 2.5. Pre-NY. Okay, 30 minutes on Goldie closed right at the res. Hourly still 29 minutes. I still think this is going to go down, to be honest. Flips that hourly, maybe. GJ closed. The 15 closed bearish. I mean, it's okay. 30-minute closed weak. Making a top wick now. It's not really the strongest candle, though. I kind of want it to engulf the zone. So close like below there. And it hasn't done that yet, so I have to wait for maybe another 15 close. Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
So 28 minutes left for this hourly. I'm trying to think of trying to get into sells somehow. Maybe I have to wait for this next 15 to close bearish back below. Then that'll be in confluence with the hourly flip. So we'll see. The 15 closed bearish as well. 15 closed, yeah, a little bit bearish. Not really the strongest though. Is there any football this week? How the fuck it better be? Is Champions League on? I think it was on last week, wasn't it? Oh no, it is today. Oh yes! I will be watching this tonight. Oh, Steve, that bloody fucking box. I've got it all set up and ready to work, but my fucking Wi-Fi's got... It's blocked the site for me to download the fucking stuff. So,
Wi-Fi?
Yeah, the Wi-Fi, Now TV just completely blocked, like, that tiny URL, whatever it's called, so... That's fucking...
What is your Wi-Fi?
Now TV.
Never heard of it.
So I get a little maybe because the actual box is Android in it, so I might just try and download a VPN on it, and that should be okay. That's what I'll do.
I put a deal out the other day, and the Christmas coming up special share.
Yeah, I paid 108 for mine. My spreads and GJ this morning. Huh?
Plus 99 quid plus postage.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Christmas deal.
Yeah, boy.
Half the shite what they put on, I don't know what it is.
As long as they've got the football, I don't really care, to be honest.
Oh yeah, they've got shitloads.
So yeah, we've got Liverpool, Napoli. That'll be quite a good game, actually.
Have you joined the
Ooh.
Telegram group?
No, I haven't.
If you join that, they'll tell you all the matches and all like that. That's on.
That's the guy. Oh, this GJ worked out nicely, eh? On the flip, I just wanted a bit more of a stronger closure, but 12 pips stop. Like 9 pips stop loss to break even. See if you can get a nice little push. So I did what I wanted to do. I just felt like I kind of wanted this candle here to close below the support, just so then it's a clean zone down. You might get break even here anyway. My stuff's for 15, but gone break even now. Yeah, nice. 100%. Go break even. If this push is great, get used to being break even. Break even's a great thing, man. Yeah, it's annoying when sometimes it hits you out of break even, but it's great. It takes the stress off. It means you can really focus on your targets instead of being worried about where it can possibly go. So I think it's really, really good to do. DC doesn't have many viewers. Damn. It's because he's been ill, hasn't he? Oh,
Have you been on any of the German channels, Max?
Been on what?
Any of them German channels?
I haven't even been on the fucker yet. It doesn't let me. I have to sort it out today. I haven't even got on the thing yet because the fucking Wi-Fi doesn't let me. So I've got to find a way past it, which is probably a VPN, I think. I'll do the job.
It's got a VPN built in.
My Wi-Fi is recognizing it, so it's not happy. It's not happy with the address. So, if not, I mean, I don't know how else I could use it. I have to use my data from my phone. It's probably the only way I would be able to do it. In GU break at the 5-minute flip. Ooh, very nice. I break even already? Great stuff. Is this GJ, would this GJ still be in? Yeah, you would be still in on the GJ, very nice. See if it could push down. Is Sashin still selling soft FOREX? Yep. Sure is.
Did he make that, or is he just a reseller?
He's just a reseller. He's got it somehow, and he's yeah, he didn't make it. That'd be big brain play. Looking like this Goldie's still heading up. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, 30's still got a lot of res there, though. It's gotta break around quite a lot. What TV dongle is that? I forgot what it's called actually. So in terms of later on, I mean it's 8:37. We still got some time. I really wanted that GG to play out really. I just wanted that candle to just close like this. Go for the left, and the next one make a top wick, and then take it. Just so I know it's breaking this support. There we go, beautiful. Well done for people who took it. Down to the Asian lows, probably the first TP. Stop loss was about 12 pips as well. You just got around 10, 12 pips. Very nice. Mate, every day we just provide so many entries for people who wanted to take them. It's if I had the stream like this when I started learning, my fucking god, it'd be much easier. My target is the low. Is that a good target? I think 200 could be quite a nice level first. Yeah, I think it's gonna get there pretty nicely. But it just depends what your strategy is, right? Your stop loss is 12 pips. You've gained 11, 12 pips. You're at the Asian lows and the rejection wicks. I personally would close 80% there because it's not too clean. But if this wasn't there, then I'd hold on the whole thing. See if it breaks them though. It looks good though, man. It looks good. So I think they're both good examples. I just think, for me, it's just the taking my money, and if I don't want to. What does it mean to break even? It means like your entry is there, right? So you got in at 170.427. It means that your stop loss now is at your entry. So and then also accounted for a little bit of commissions. So it means you've break even. So it means that if price comes back to your entry, you lose no money. You break even. So it means it's risk free, right? You don't care where it goes because it's risk free. And there we go. Beautiful. Oh, what a trade. Look at that hourly with a flip as well. So everyone in the chat who discussed this, the resistance forming, the hourly flip, amazing work. I was just a bit picky in terms of my what's it called? My closure, but beautiful work. So can you see if we go back what we discussed before? To the T, boy. I don't just make these out of thin air. I see them happen again and again and again and again and again and again. When do I set my trade to break even? It depends what you've been backtesting, but I always say like 7-8 pips, something like that. Maybe a bit lower, maybe a bit quicker if you're not too comfortable with how it's pushing, or it just depends. Depends how much room you want to give it. Depends, I like a quick push, so I like being break even pretty quick. It's good to say this. I'm sweating like a oh. So yeah, really, really good work. So today we discussed lots of things: the GJ sells, the Goldie buys, and this morning for the trend line, the Goldie sells. Very nice. This gold still got 18 minutes left of this hourly. 30 minutes pushing up though, 15 also. Yeah, let's try some. In terms of the 4 hour as well, we're pushing down nicely in the 4 hour, which is good. Just gotta get past that level. Ah, oh, what a trade. Clean. Back down. Just needed that fucking candle to go a little bit stronger for me. But stop was good as well, so really good option for people. Just not for me. Just watching winning trades. So yeah, the whole break-even thing is it's just down to you, man. It's just down to how are you gonna react when you're up 7 pips and it hits you at break-even. Do you want to give it more room? Have you back tested? Do you know that this level really does work? So hold your stops. You gotta go to back test all that kind of stuff. Oh, GG. Stinking trade, eh?
Very nice.
Yeah. Just fucking below my support. Because for me here, my only issue is that this candle didn't close back below support. So it's still holding that support in my eyes. And it means that easily this candle could make the lower wick, reflip, and push back into the zone. The confirmation I'd get is if it closed below. Yeah. Beautiful retest there as well.
That's what you should have sold it, Max.
I think Brian got in. Someone got into the little OB thing up here, which is quite cool. Very nice.
Right on Telegram. I took what looks to me is kind of 15-minute make top wick, and then when it flipped. Yeah, that one there.
Yeah. Are they 2 entries, Brian? Oh my god. 5 in the morning. Beautiful. EJ sells at 15-minute closure. Why would you want to do 50-minute closure? Because it's got maybe 8 pips to the low. The zone's not big enough. You've got to wait for further below. Yeah, the resistance is probably up there again. Same with GJ, yeah. Just close some profits, good stuff. What a photo from Apple Watch. It does look like that, doesn't it? From an Apple Watch.
Yeah, it's too small.
Yeah, it's tiny. So yeah, as I said, we'll do the homework. I'm gonna write actually out. I'm gonna sort my day out. Yesterday was quite a hard day. I was still fucking knackered from the weekend, to be honest. But today I'll get my stuff done. I'm gonna write about some of the signals, just for give it a bit of leeway for the retest entries, all that good stuff. So the 50-minute closed, bearish. Stop loss obviously above would be 24 pips. The 30-minute support is quite close now, which just sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna miss that entry. It's all good though. It's all good. $18 pips. Oh. In terms of the runner as well, your runner can be pretty good all the way down to 169, 820 if it gets there nicely, which it should do realistically. In terms of Goldie as well, so look at the daily. Yeah, it's at that daily level of support, so it's kind of hard. That's why it's struggling to break up, I think. It's found this little res. GU, please. GU is
beautiful.
Hourly rejections is kind of the same thing as GJ, but this is obviously current resistance. This is current support. And yeah, so maybe a closure above, but would you like the closure above? We'll look to the left, kind of choppy, resistance there, not too nice. So for me, probably buys above there would be much nicer. This is cleaner up, this is cleaner up. So buys above 1.15644, sells below probably, let's just make this up, maybe, yeah, it's kind of hard. This is actually not too bad, but this is shit, so kind of hard for the sells. So yeah, that's how you kind of market your charts. It's not hard at all to market your charts. Go just find the clean zones, and it's not like current support sometimes. It could be like a couple hours before because it held it stronger. Debating whether to close full because of the 4-hour closure. Is this on GJ? Yeah, I mean, let's see how this closes, because I think this may just push this next 11 minutes. It's a hard one. I think wait until this closure, because yeah, in terms of the closure for the next 4 hours, if you haven't pushed down further enough, this next candle should make a top wick, which should be your entry, like there. You know what I mean? So It's reasonable to think like that, 100%. Yeah, the top wick will literally be hitting your entry. So yeah, just to see how this does, because I think this 15 might continue. To be honest with you, breaks that low, should continue even further. So Goldie, yeah, rejecting 50-minute close doji last one. 30 minutes, got 10 minutes left. The hourly still got no lower wick. Looking like it's probably gonna make one. Maybe. Come on, GJ, push down. Make it to get these runners for people. Get the runners for the squad. Also, guys, I always ask about like how I could improve as a streamer and stuff. So I always ask me like things you want me to do more. I know I need to review more people's charts, but people don't send them the right fucking way, and I can't be asked to tell people how to do it. I may just take that server rules off because that's quite annoying, isn't it? No. Okay, look at Goldie. Goldie looking like it might flip over here. Interesting. On the hourly. 9 minutes left for this closure. Interessante. Come on, GJ, you got enough volume for this. Get your ass down. Oh. Goldie's flipped. Oh my god. Looking like some volumes coming in over here. Wow, look at that 3 minute. Pushed all the way up. So yeah, 9 minutes left. See if this GJ continues. I think that'll be probably the last little thing we're looking at in terms of today. Then wait until NY session later on. In terms of London, got a nice little trade again there. Some good money, which is good. Wonder if you can get this, Max. Interesting, yeah. Would it be in now? Did it tap it on that last one? No. It's pretty close though. It's got good rejection, that GJ, that Goldie. Just needs to fucking flip that hourly wick, boy. Flip it! How are spreads today? One, yeah, they're good. Spreads are good today. That's great. That's good.
What's happened to the South Africans?
I think they're in a different. They'll be in a different Zoom, going through OBs, talking about it the whole time. Yeah, boy. Because they'll be discussing. They're pretty much. I call them the research and development team. They need to get a cut out of it sometimes. Yeah, like when they, like the Black Ted, they'll go off and they'll just fucking talk about it for 20 hours straight. I'm just teaching the newbies and people who are just starting to come in the normal way while they go research another product. Works well. But yeah, if they're trying to discuss like OBs and stuff, and they'll just confuse the group that are just trying to learn how to trade normally, right? But they've already done that for the past year, so it's kind of, you know, just growing. No. What did you enter this GJ sell based off? I didn't, but it was resistance forming. I didn't enter the trade. I wanted it, but I wanted this candle to close a little bit stronger below the support. So yeah, but it was a resistance forming, right? Breaks the support, retests, closure, find the resistance. So it's just resistance forming. We know it retests the lows like 80% of the time. Where is it? Oh, it's not here. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, like this. Oh yeah. Man, gold be praying around like that? Yeah, it's fucking around, isn't it? 5 minutes look a bit sus. I still think it's gonna come down. It keeps rejecting these highs. Would that be a fake out to range 2? Yeah, you can call it that. It's the same thing. But mine just didn't come to the zone I wanted. Yeah, but looking good now. 50-minute breaks the low. People with runners on. I'd hold on to 830 now. I think you're pretty good, especially if you're up there. I think your runner can do some serious damage here. Because it's really clean, especially when it gets past these wicks. Man, it's clean. Ah, it's a shame I didn't get that fucking closure. So in terms of TPs, if you're really going for it, I'd say here's TP1 right at that level. Because that's obviously clean. TP2 is going to be down here like 850. So from that trade, stop loss was 12 pips, TP1 was 16, TP2 was 57. So yeah, it could be pretty good over here. So 3 minutes left for this Goldie. Yeah, it's not gonna flip that wick, eh? Holding it. There's also maybe a minor one you could maybe close some more on if you fancied it, but I do think that this really is looking good now. Look at the hourly. So we'll have to see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wait off over here, guys. Now I'm gonna wait until NY session, and yeah, gonna see what the score is. I want to see kind of GJ push through this zone, and then maybe potentially take some trades later on. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. Make sure you like the stream before you go. Another beautiful win, second win of the week. So yeah, see you later, guys. Peace out.
Thank you, Maxi.
See you later, guys. Adios, amigos. See you later. See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. I'll put the mentorship link to guys join. If you guys have any questions, make sure to message me. We are filling up very quickly. We've over like 20 people have joined the past couple of days. So if you join now, you know you will be with a bunch of new people, which is good. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later on, man. Peace out.